Hello everyone, I am Dr. M. Manikam, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi, College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about 16-bit subtraction, that is assembly language program of 16-bit subtraction. So in our previous video, we have discussed about 16-bit addition. Actually this is a lecture series video. So continuously we are talking about assembly language programs. First one, that is we have discussed 16-bit addition. In 16-bit addition program, we have discussed source program. What is the source program for 16-bit addition, how it is working, and next one, algorithm. What are the algorithms are given for 16-bit addition we have discussed, and flowchart, then some applications of 16-bit addition. So these are all the things we have discussed in our previous video. Today we are going to discuss about the same for 16-bit subtraction. So first we are going to discuss about a source program for the particular 16-bit subtraction program. Then we will discuss about algorithm, what are the steps are involved to execute the programs. Then flowcharts, how the program is executing step by step. We can explain through the flowcharts. So these are all the things we are going to discuss today. So let's get into the video. Today we are going to discuss about Microprocessor 8086 assembly language program, that is 16-bit subtraction. 16-bit subtraction program, we are taking two 16-bit numbers, then we will subtract from one another. So how it is performed through the 8086 microprocessor, so we will discuss one by one. So this is the first step of microprocessor 8086 source program, that is 16-bit subtraction. Move AX, 030A. Here 030A is the first input value here. Then this is the next step, next value. Move bx, 0205. This is the second value we are taking as input here, that is stored in bx register. Then third step, that is move cl, 00. So we are clearing the cl register for storing the borrow or carry purpose here. Then next step, sub, subtraction ax, sub ax, bx. So this means get the difference in ax register. So we are taking two input values in ax and bx registers, 030A and 0205 here. Then if the command or instruction sub ax, bx means the ax value will subtract, the bx value will subtract from ax value that is stored in ax register. Okay, so then move 1104, ax. So after the subtraction, the data will store, the subtracted value will store in ax register. That ax register automatically it will store, then it will move to the output address, that is 1104. So this is the output address for we are taking 1104. Suppose we are taking 2104, means if it is working or not, means it will work. So because here we are taking 100 is as a starting address here, that's what we are taking this 1104 as a output address here. If it is starting address is 2000, 3000, 4000 or 2500, 600, whatever it may be. So according to that starting address, we are providing the particular output address here. So next step, JNC 1015. That is if the after the subtraction, if there is any carry flag is there, means there is a borrow or whatever it may be, some additional values will be there, means it will jump to 1015. So JNC means jump on no carry. So if there is no carry in subtraction, means it will jump to move 1106 comma CL step. So otherwise it will execute the INCCL register. So this program is similar to 16-bit addition, but here we are performing subtraction. So next step, that is move 11. If there is a carry, means it will run the or execute the INCCL. Then after the increment, it will go to the move 1106 comma CL. So the CL value, I mean carry value or borrow value will go to the address, that is move to the address 1106, then HLT. This may halt the program or executing end of the program here. So this is the source program for 16-bit subtraction. Then so the algorithm for the particular 16-bit subtraction is step by step we have given. That is first one, set SI register as a pointer for data. So we can move the data or run the or perform the subtraction program in different ways. Here we are taking is the simplest one we are taken. So that is first step, that is get the minuend, that is AX register, and get the subtrahend in BX register here, and then clear the CL register to account for sign. Then subtract the content of BX from AX. The difference will be stored in AX register. Then we have to check the carry. If the carry flag is set, then if it is 1 means, then go to the next step. Otherwise it will go to the step 9. So it will skip the increment step. So then increment CL register by one step, one value. Then take the 2's complement of a difference in AX register. For this complement, AX and add 1. So here this is the value of subtraction. We are taking a 2's complement. Then store the magnitude of difference in memory. So after the subtraction, the value the particular value, I mean difference value, will store in particular address here. So that is the stored address, that is 1104. Then carry will store in 1106. Then store the sign bit in memory. So that is 1106 is the sign bit it will store. Then next last stop, that is stop or end of the program. So this is the step by step guidance for the 16-bit subtraction program. Here is the flowchart for the particular program. Then we have to load the address for we have to fetch the input through AX and BX step. We are using here rectangular shape boxes. Then clear the CL register. Then we have to subtract BX from AX register. Then it will go to the jump command, that is diamond shaped box we are using for flowchart. That is carry flag is 1 means yes. If the condition is yes, means it will go to the increment CL register by 1 value. Otherwise it will store the difference in memory, then store the sign bit, and it will stop or end of the program. So if the condition is yes, means it will increase the CL register by 1 value, then complement of the content of AX register. Then it will add 1 to the AX register. Then it will move to the value will store in memory. Then it will proceed the next step also. So this is the picture representation of that 16-bit subtraction program. So this is the calculation for 16-bit subtraction. Here we are taking 030A as the minuend and 0205 as the subtrahend. We are going to perform the subtraction here. Manually we can subtract from 030A minus 0205 by using the hexadecimal number subtraction method. So here 0A minus 05 is there, so you will get 05, and 03 minus 02 you will get 0 1. So here there is no borrow or carry something, so 0 0. So the subtracted value will store in the particular address, that is 1104, that is 05, 1105, that is 01. Here it will store. Here there is no carry, I mean that is will store in 1106, that is 00. So thank you. This is the 16-bit subtraction program in Microprocessor 8086. So this is the end of the program. So thank you for watching this video. So actually it is lecture series video. In our lecture series, we are going to discuss in our next video, that is BCD addition, BCD subtraction programs, sum of n arrays. So these are all the programs we will discuss in our forthcoming videos. Thank you.